Someone is sleepy. Someone is ready to sleep. Kaylin, are you sleepy, anak? Don't sleep yet. We're almost there. Okay? Anak, don't sleep. Boy. Stay up. We're almost there. I love you. See, we're almost there.
I know, Jack. Are you videoing? Okay.